Doing sunrise at the glacier beach. It is about 3 o'clock in the morning. If you're gonna shoot here, be careful with your stuff. And I like to say, don't be stupid. Use common sense. This beach is trying to kill your camera. So all you have to do is don't let her. The most common mistake that people do here is they leave the tripod to adjust some piece of ice or get a filter or whatever they are doing. Just don't do that. That's stupid, because the wave is coming in and it will trip your tripod and your camera is done. Don't leave your backpack on the ground. Take it way up or have it on your back. To get the money shot, the shot that basically everybody's trying to do here, first and foremost you need to have the exposure time somewhere around 1 second. And also what you want to do is you want to wait until the wave is up and it's going back down again. Then you shoot. Now the wave is coming up and now it's going back again, and now we shoot. And if you do that, you will get about this result. To get that frame, you need boots. Why? You have to stand in the fire to get this shot, like this. Here are a few pictures that I took in different lighting with basically the same settings.